So now let us do few transformations. Okay, now let us do the transformations here in this data set. Okay, in this copied data set. So here, if you observe this column, okay, there are a lot of null values, isn't it, guys? We can also see the data profile. Okay, are you able to see? We have one date and all remaining are empty. We have count. This is just counting the first 1000 rows. Okay, so 999 are empty. Only one value is there. That is this one. Okay. So that means what? It could not be any column as such, isn't it, guys? So what we can do is we can delete this column or we can remove this column. Okay. So just right click here, or you can select this and pull down this drop down menu from the manage columns. You can remove this. Okay. And you can also observe the changes here under the applied steps. Okay, here whatever transformation we are going to do, all those steps would be recorded here. Okay, it is kind of logger. Okay, log. So we have selected this column. Let us pull down this drop down menu and remove the columns. Are you able to see removed columns? Okay. Now, if you want to undo it, just click on this. Okay. We'll be getting back the we'll be going back to the stage where this transformation was applied before. Okay. Now, are you able to see this null values here? Okay. So if you scroll towards right, all the first, entire first two rows are null values. So what can we do here? Remove it. So replacing will not make any sense, isn't it? So let us remove the top two rows. Okay. So for that, what we can do is, are you able to see the option here? Reduce rows. Okay. So pull on this drop down menu. Remove top rows. Okay. So here you have different options. Remove top rows, remove bottom rows, remove alternate rows. So let us remove top rows. So when we select this remove top rows, it will ask for how many rows you want, how many top rows you want to remove. So here we need to remove 2 rows, right? Yeah. So let us enter 2 and click OK. Now you can see removed top rows. Okay. Isn't it? Yes. Now, what else can we do here? Just have a close look at this data after this much transformation. What else can we do here? If you have any issues in the data, say here you have duplicate rows or blank rows, okay, those kind of things we can delete. So this column 2, column 3, column 4, it does not make sense, right? You can see this trans date, red city, order method type, urgent. These look like a column name, isn't it? A proper column name, isn't it?